Welcome back, action camera fans. Today, we've got an exciting showdown between two of the hottest cameras just released, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro and the GoPro Hero 13 Black, dropped just a few days back. Both are the latest flagship models from their respective brands, and they come packed with features. But which one should you pick up for your next adventure? Let's break it down and see how these two giants stack up. Both the cameras have something unique this year, and I don't think they are comparable with each other. But they can be deal breakers when you are deciding between these two action cameras. Let's talk about the DJI Action 5 Pro. First thing, you get an internal 47 gigabytes of storage in the Action 5 Pro. The new subject tracking feature is awesome. When you are in action, the camera will automatically keep you in the footage and you will get a social media ready video. The built-in professional water pressure gauge for intelligent recording of the Action 5 Pro allows you to check real-time underwater depth and duration while diving or swimming. The camera, with a built-in professional air pressure gauge, records and displays altitude data in real time while shooting, giving you precise control for both creations and activities. The Action 5 Pro also delivers true-to-life colors with the built-in color temperature sensor. None of these are available in the GoPro Hero 13 Black. Now let's talk about the GoPro 13 Black. You get some lens options to choose from, such as macro lens mod to shoot something from very close distance, ultra-wide lens mod to get a wider view, smart motion blur ND filter, and anamorphic lens mod for cinematic video. It supports a magnetic power cable for uninterrupted power delivery while taking a time-lapse video or longer shooting session. You can shoot 400 FPS slow-motion video with the GoPro Hero 13 Black, though the resolution is not up to the mark. But if you need this, you have it. Now come to the real comparison. When it comes to design, both the Osmo Action 5 Pro and the GoPro Hero 13 Black stay true to their rugged, waterproof roots. The Action 5 Pro keeps DJI's signature magnetic quick-release system, which makes mounting and switching angles super easy. GoPro's Hero 13 Black also features a new magnetic mount system and still keeps its foldable mounting fingers, which are sturdy and reliable in action. So in terms of mounting option, GoPro wins the game. Both cameras are waterproof, with the Action 5 Pro boasting a deeper rating of 65 feet without needing an additional case, while the Hero 13 Black can handle 33 feet. For divers or anyone who needs a bit more depth, DJI wins in this department. Let's talk about display. One standout feature of the Osmo Action 5 Pro is the larger OLED screens on both the front and rear. These screens are brighter and easier to see, especially in sunny outdoor conditions. The GoPro Hero 13 Black also has dual screens, but they don't quite match the brightness and visibility of DJI's OLED displays. The display of the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is slightly larger than the GoPro Hero 13 Black. If you're someone who's filming a lot of content in direct sunlight, the Action 5 Pro has the edge in this category. Battery life is critical when you're out filming, and the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro has made some solid improvements in this area. With its new larger battery, the Action 5 Pro offers longer shooting sessions compared to the GoPro Hero 13 Black. The DJI's battery can handle about 3.5 hours of recording at 4K 30 FPS, while the Hero 13 Black gives you around 2.5 hours under similar conditions. If longer battery life is a priority for you, DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is the winner here. The GoPro Hero 13 Black and the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro both offer 4K at 120 FPS, which is great for super slow motion shots. However, when it comes to HDR video and dynamic range, the Action 5 Pro has an edge. DJI has introduced improved dynamic range capabilities in the Action 5 Pro, making it excellent for shooting in challenging lighting conditions, like bright sunlight or low light environments. On the other hand, GoPro features a lot of options for lens and ND filters. With those accessories, GoPro performs in different levels. But the GoPro Hero 13 Black, without any ND filters or lens, does a good job too. But it tends to overexpose highlights in automatic mode, making DJI's HDR handling better overall. If you're into shooting in low light conditions or at night, this is where the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro really shines. It features a super night mode, which significantly improves low-light footage without sacrificing detail. While the GoPro Hero 13 Black also performs decently in low light, it doesn't have a dedicated night mode like DJI. For those nighttime adventures, the Osmo Action 5 Pro takes the crown. Both cameras have improved audio, but DJI takes it a step further with its DJI Mic 2 integration. The Osmo Action 5 Pro allows you to connect up to 2 DJI mic via Bluetooth, perfect for interviews or vlogging with multiple people. GoPro also supports external mic or earbuds via Bluetooth for audio recording, but the quality is obviously not that good as the Action 5 Pro with DJI Mic 2. If audio is important to your content, the Action 5 Pro is the better choice. When it comes to ease of use, the Osmo Action 5 Pro offers a more intuitive interface. Its menu system is clean, modern, and easier to navigate compared to the GoPro Hero 13 Black, which can feel a bit clunky at times. DJI's quick menu access makes it faster to change settings on the go, while GoPro's layout, although familiar, can take a bit more time to navigate. The DJI Mimo smartphone app is also much more feature-packed and user-friendly than the GoPro mobile app. So, which camera should you get? Both the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro and the GoPro Hero 13 Black are excellent action cameras, but they excel in different areas. If battery life, low light performance, and easy-to-use features are what you're looking for, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is the better option. On the other hand, if super slow motion and high frame rate 4K shooting are your top priorities, the GoPro Hero 13 Black might suit your needs better. At the end of the day, it depends on your shooting style and what features matter most to you. Both cameras are solid choices, and you really can't go wrong with either one. Let us know in the comments which camera you're leaning towards, and don't forget to subscribe for more gear comparisons.